Well, here we have our Mirage drive with the turbo fins on it, and you know when those go bad, they go bad. And the fins alone are like 60-70 bucks a piece. So I decided to make my own, and I just took some plastic. This was just my prototype. I took some plastic, folded it over the fins, and these are pretty solid. They grab a lot of water, so they are very hard to pedal, and they don't move much faster than those. Something I want to point out about when I made these prototype fins, this one I made it, and it's just thin plastic all the way up here and all the way down. And when I realized I needed something for this to grab onto, I just cut a U shape out of this and then ran the screw through it, and then put a zip tie up here to hold it, and then I widened the hole so that the knob would go in there. But on the second fin, when I made it, I extended the plastic up over the top, and then I brought it back down over this so that it would have a thicker, and plus it would have a place for the screw to go through on the inside. Of course, I should have stapled or done something here to make this hold. But these, like I said, these were just prototypes for finding out whether I could make something, and then I came up with this design. This is my version 2.0. I took the same type of plastic, folded it over, and then I took rubber, clear rubber. I mean, it could just be a rubber floor mat, like one of those laying over there. And I took this out this morning. Here's a quick video. Watch out, duck. Yeah? We're getting a little movement. So there's not a lot of resistance on these. .7 feet. My DIY fins are working pretty good. Okay, so you see they work. And I tried those this morning too. Here's a video. But here are my DIY turbo fins. Make sure they locked in. There they go. All right, here we go. They're working, but just for safety, I went ahead and brought my other turbo fins. I'm getting some movement out of these. So now that I know my fins work, I am going to try and make me a better set, a cleaner set, prettier set, whatever you want to call it. I didn't take those because I already know they work. But these work, so I'm going to make me another set of these for that Mirage drive. And then you got Pelican HD2. If you have a Pelican, you know that they do this. They break because on the Hobie, the sprockets are solid. And if you look here, this is a Pelican, but I replaced the sprockets with Hobie sprockets. On the HD2, the sprockets are they have a set screw that holds them in place. Here's a set screw right here. but on the Hobie it has the set screw down here. The only modification you got to make is you got to take a 5/16 bit and drill out this hole just a little bit, and they work fine. Well, I let Pelican know that the thing broke, and they sent me a new one. That's all they sent me. I see the other guys on YouTube, and they get the whole thing. But hey, with my spare parts, I can make me another full pedal drive, sell it to somebody else. But just so you see, there's this is my progress of going from this with nothing on it but the two masts, which are the rods. I made that, took it out, and it worked, but it was just hard to paddle because they don't have no flex. So instead of doing this in the water, they're doing this, and that's just too much work. And what's funny was, I took these out today with my Catch 110. This one worked fine. That one was just a pain to get up to the same speed as this one. But the actual fins from Pelican, I think because they're a little wider up here on the top, I should have took this design. Actually, when I make the other ones, I might do that. Make this just a little wider down here. Anyway, yeah. But I got 3 miles an hour out of those. I got over 4 miles an hour out of these. So, and the only thing is, I was really pushing them because I have Hobie sprockets on it. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1. Alright, well, I'm at Woodlawn Lake, just paddling around with my DIY fins. Look at some of these houses over here. Pretty fancy. There's a gymnasium and the pool. And actually on the other side of that, where the dam is, there's another little pond over there. Oh, I'm not going in there. I mean, I can't get over there from here anyway, but I'm gonna paddle around here for about another hour or so, and there's the park, playground. Go down that way, and it takes you around to Woodlawn and Wilson. But I'm not going down there. Actually, I just went down there and came back. But hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1. That way I can stop making, oh, they're down there. That way I can stop making these silly DIY fins. I'm kidding. Nobody ever sends me $1. I just think it's a funny thing to say at the end of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.